What's going on, YouTube? I hope everybody's having a fantastic weekend. Isaac Straight here. Let's talk about the play of the year, potentially, or it might make me break or broke. It's wheat. Now, yeah, I know a lot of people are talking about other plays out there, like other commodities. A lot of people are looking at soybeans. A lot of people are looking at steel, straight defensive plays like Lockheed Martin. But wheat is a very interesting play here. Now, a lot of people are probably wondering, well, hell, it kind of might have hit a top coming in on Friday. No, it didn't, okay? Now, this is your first time tuning into my channel. Fuck, you already know what to do. It didn't hit a top. Like, if you're not too familiar what happened on Friday, well, wheat futures hit a limit up. Limit up, there it is right there. Take a gander at it real quick. A limit up is the maximum amount price is permitted to increase during one trading day. So it hit it 5 times, I believe it was. So wheat was halted for the whole day. It's only allowed to expand it up to what, 75 cents. It hit that one 5 times. What was it? Friday it hit it 5 times, I believe it was, but it basically hit it a whole week in a row, I think it was, but it kept getting halted limit up. Now, what that does to wheat, because you have to remember, this wheat fund here is, it reflects whatever ZW does, which is the futures. Now, if ZW isn't doing anything, well, guess what? Wheat isn't going to go anywhere. Now, I'm not saying this is a long-term play. This is going to be a nice little long swing play here. I think this is going to take at least, I don't know, maybe 6 months to a year. It might even be maybe a year and a half. I've been using wheat kind of as an indicator to see if this is going to cool down. Now, I will be watching ZW to see what happens. Now, if we do get limit up coming in to the futures open, it's going to set up for a pretty interesting play here. It could set up a ripple effect for a lot of other plays out there. I mean, you have to look at fucking, even WTI is blowing up after hours. Silver's is getting up there. Gold's getting up there. Oil's getting up there. Everything's moving right now. Be prepared to pay a little bit more at the gas pump. Now, I don't think this is gonna really, I'm not saying go out and go buy bags of wheat, you know what I mean, or a bushels and shit like that. That's not what I'm saying here. What I'm saying is to use this as a hedge. Now, what I went for is I went for just straight contracts on this one. Now, contracts, the ones I went for, I grabbed 2 of the $12 ones, 5 of the $8 ones. I paid, what was it, 15 cents per contract for the $12 ones, expiring in 12 days. For the $8 ones, I got those ones for, I want to say I paid $20. Yeah, I paid $20 per contract for those ones. I got all this about Friday before everything started really running up on the wheat. Like when we saw that first little correction, that's when I kind of loaded up on them. And I also grabbed some of the July 15 ones, the $9 ones. These ones I kind of paid a little bit more for these ones. They were at $32. No, actually I got these ones. These were the first ones I grabbed. They were at $22. Now what I want to wait for is I want to wait and see if I can grab some puts. This is probably going to continue to have a little push to the upside. I'm not really going to jump in and give you guys any price targets because it's just kind of hard to do it right now, especially with the futures being limited up and being halted. As long as we get halted up today and whatever's going on over in Ukraine and Russia doesn't really escalate yet, because once it de-escalates and this one starts to correct, that's going to be basically the top. As soon as we hear some kind of de-escalation, expect that to be the top for this one. That's all I got for you guys. So hell, wheat baby to the moon. I'm still in all my other plays. I still am waiting for the biotech plays to hit, the PDUFA drugs. I know Merck, I just saw a Merck commercial the other day, so for the Keytruda drug, so I'm kind of excited about that one. Catch that on the next video. I hope everybody tunes into the live stream. I'm out.